that little cluster of towers up there, that's where we're going. I already did one video about that little area, but I didn't spend much time there. But today's gonna be a quick one. Oops. You love to have that view, that house right there. I'd love to live in that house and be look at that view every morning. Fortunately, there's people here. Well, if you look at my other video of this, this place, in just a year, I mean, they've trashed it. They tore the handrails down, spray painted all over the tables. Oh well, can't have nothing. There's the antennas we was looking at from the down in Rockwood. Last time I was here, there's a road down here that I wanted to turn down, and I didn't. So today, we're gonna take it. I'm dying to jump this truck. I'm going to one day. That little turnaround, I've been there before. You've seen that on an older video, but we didn't go down this road. So you know we got to do that. Got to go down this road. Well, I got kind of a late start today, so this is going to be a very short video. At least I got to show you Mount Roosevelt. And this road, when I got more time, I'm going to come over here and see this road to the end.
where the roof is.
I've never noticed that house or whatever that is up there before. All right, y'all, I'm gonna call it a day, and we will come back to this spot. We'll put a pin in it. See ya.